nature. Knowing our real nature, that is the series. The master says, uh, if we follow a dispassion from the intellect, dispassion means you filter out what is real and what is unreal. There are many ways to explain. The effect is always unreal. The cause A seems to be real. Effect of anything seems to be, it is unreal, but the cause. So if we find the ultimate cause of anything and everything, we have the higher level of dispassion, and in that state of the dispassion, the minds, we will start working on the mind, and the intellect reveals the knowledge of the real self. Oh, we were just talking about the food, chicken, grain, hmm? Grain, or you can say rice, vegetables, they all are matter. Fact is that, or the effect is one vegetable, second vegetable, effect is one grain, second grain, effect is pizza, pasta, chicken. But they all are matter. Look at the way the master helps us to understand. All are matter. No, but how can you say all are matter? Look at this body. Inside the skin, it's a carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins, they all are matter. Look inside the chicken. Label is chicken, but inside it is matter. Inside the veggie, matter. Again, we talk of, oh, this contains, spinach contains iron, and greenish is because of other chemicals. So the ultimate cause of what we see in the world is matter. I am a man, you are a woman, but inside the skin, we are all matter. Effect is, and we go by the effect and we got a problem. Then we say you are black in color, you are in white, you are British, you are Irish, you are Jewish. Come on, we all are matter. physical physical body is matter. We say, oh, Miss Universe, come on, Miss Universe, the physical body is also matter. You have given a label, or Mr. Universe. Different name, different form, it is matter. Look at it. This is what we say. By the intellect, we follow the process. So if this body is the matter, is wall the matter? Yes. Is the clock matter? Yes. Is the computer matter? Yes. Is the mouse matter? Yes. Is the clothes matter? Yes. So why I get anxious when I see the body with a label, and then I get anxious with a particular matter, and I feel very happy with the other matter. Are you getting it? One person A, I get anxious. Person B, I am happy with that. But what I see is the matter. Only the name and the label is different. One may be a father, one may be a son, other may be daughter, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, etc., etc., friend, 50 years old, 60 years old, 5-year-old, but they all are matter. So follow the path of dispassion. And I want to know from where the matter comes. All matter consists of atoms. All matter consists of electron, proton, neutron. All matter consists of electron, proton, neutron, and after that, science says it is all energy. If it is a matter, you come to the electromagnetic energy. No, no. What is the cause of this matter? Pay attention. This is how our masters explain. Cause of the matter is earth. If the earth is not there, there is no matter. This text is written. This text is written almost around, I would say, 1500 years ago, when there was no science. Science is hardly 250, 300 years old. So, okay, you said cause of the matter is earth. What is the cause of the earth? You know, the scientists have a mission on the moons and the Mars. They want to know if the water is present in the moon or the Mars. So cause of the earth is water. So our master says, you see that all matter, cause of the matter is earth, the cause of the earth is water, the cause of fire, cause of water is the fire, cause of the fire is air, cause, how can you say without air, without oxygen, you cannot burn your even gas stove. We are not talking of gossip. We are talking of the fact. So cause of the fire is air and cause of the air is space. If there is, you create a vacuum, there is no air. So cause of the air is space and cause of the space is mind. Cause of the mind is ego. That ego says, and is different from me. When the ego does not exist, how can you and me are different? We both are real self. We both are one consciousness. There is no two. It's not the question of belief. It's a question of inquiry. You inquire everything that you inquire, and then you say ultimate cause. Ultimately, the Buddha says, if I am is not there, the world does do not exist. If you are not there, the world do not exist. How I know the world? Because first I am, and that I am is an ego. That ego says, here you are, here I am, and I have separated. And that separation is delusion. There is no separation at all at the ultimate level, causative level, not the level of effect. Level of effect, I am Girish, level of effect, you are in. That is the only difference. But effect is not the real. You look at the logical explanation of these crazy masters. Because I claim I am an effect, what is that effect? I am the body. So body feels heaviness through the mind. So I feel the problem in the effect. I get anxious. At the level of the ultimate cause, there is no anxiety at all. There is no stress at all. There is no delusion at all. So that is why the master says dispassion. Dispassion. So dispassion uh, results from the discernment. And the discernment means separating, find the ultimate cause. Simple. Don't get carried away by the effect. Effect is not responsible for my suffering. But if I claim that I am the effect, I am the body, I am the mind, and then it causes the problem. So the master says, science says the ultimate cause of the matter is energy. Huh? Your friend in the Princeton Einstein says that the matter can be converted into energy. We already knew it. It's a famous. Do you know the famous formula? E is equal to mc square. Simple meaning matter is converted into energy. We knew it. Our master says we agree with what you scientists say. Ultimate energy. Now the master is asking the question that is this matter or energy a conscious entity? No, this is matter. The mouse does not know I am holding the mouse in my hand. Does the mouse know? No, it's a matter. So body is a matter. We have already understood physiological functioning. It is all about the matter and exchange. So he says, Master says, the ultimate cause of everything is pure consciousness. That consciousness is independent, all pervading, never changing entity. Do you ever say when you wake up in the morning, today my consciousness seems to be little crazy? You say, my mind is crazy. Do you ever say, my consciousness is forcing me to do certain thing? No. You say, mind. So we say that once you find the ego, continue, find the ultimate cause. Who makes my ego conscious? It is behind, it is a consciousness. Lamp is there. I don't see the electricity, but I know it is electricity. Because of the electric current, there is a light. It is that consciousness behind the ego, behind the mind, behind the space, behind the air, behind the fire, behind the behind the water, behind the earth, behind this body, which is a matter. Ultimate cause is the consciousness. What is the cause of the consciousness? There is no cause. That is the end. Why? Because consciousness never changes. Mind changes. Body changes. Emotions changes. Feeling changes. So discovery of that consciousness is the real self. The moment you awaken to the real self, all these anxiety, duality, conflict, they simply drop. You enjoy your journey of life. That is the goal of life. Goals in life is my career, my money, my possessions, whether I remain single or get married, to have kids or do not have the kids. Lot of things. Goals in life, many goals. But the goal of life of every human being is to live in peace, happiness, love, and wisdom, and that is my real self, and that is pure consciousness. You have millions of actions, but goal is peace and happiness, love and wisdom. So Master says there is nothing in the world. There are millions and billions of things, people, relationship. The Master demands, Master is asking the question, can you show any person anything which has a property of peace and happiness? Show me anything in the world. Why we have a mental stress? Because of this, because we are searching peace and happiness outside, where it is not. Where it is not. That is what it is. Close your eyes. Let us do. I could say, let us follow one practice. Simple. Eyes are closed. Body is steady. Mind is facing within.